My husband and I were semi-retired, and we were looking for an opportunity. We weren't ready to really stop working, and we found this opportunity. We thought the food was excellent. It's a family-run business, and it just seemed like something that would fit our personalities and our time. Kalispell, Montana. I have absolutely no restaurant experience, but we both have a lot of business experience. So we've managed people, we have managed budgets, we have done a lot of work in private and public business, and so we feel like we can handle the business and we'll learn the rest. I was a real estate agent, so I worked more hours than this. I grew up on a farm in Kansas. We raised our own beef. Smoking, it was more grilling, but some smoking, and we also made our own sausage and did a lot of things like that. So good quality meats is important to me. And even now, when I buy meat, it's from a local producer in Montana. I've been cooking for 50 years or more and working with all kinds of foods on my own. So being around knives, handling food is easy. Learning some techniques was great. Our trainer was wonderful, showed us what to look for, how to do it, his right techniques. Actually seasoning it made a lot of sense, and how it then, as it smokes, it takes on that beautiful color, and it just looks really pretty. You know, it looks delicious. We've had a big class, and we've done a lot of hands-on, and that's something I've really appreciated, is the different stores we've gone to, the different setups we've seen, the different experiences, doing some catering. So I think it's been a good, broad experience. I really liked McKinney. That's the one where we did some catering, a lot of people coming through, so we got a lot of different experiences. And it had a drive-through. We're going to be working with the current owner for a little while, and I think what I'm looking forward to most is when we've gone through that phase and it really is just ours, and we can see the changes we may want to make. And I also am very interested in getting into the catering, and I want to start doing marketing and meeting the community in that respect. And we've been talking about a lot of ideas. We lived in Flathead Valley, Flathead County, and we called it Flat Out Smoking.